Some homophones along with their meanings and example sentences. 8. Passive eat, consumed food. He ate the whole pizza. 8. Number 8, a numerical value. She has 8 pens. Air, atmosphere, the invisible gaseous substance. We need fresh air to breathe. Heir, someone who inherits, a successor. He is the heir to the throne. Allowed, permitted, given permission. Smoking is not allowed here. Allowed, out loud, spoken audibly. She read the poem aloud. Bear, an animal or to tolerate, a large mammal / endure. A bear was seen in the forest. I can't bear the pain. Bare, naked, uncovered, without covering. He walked on the bare ground. Brake, device to stop a vehicle, a stopping mechanism. Press the brake to stop the car. Break, to split or shatter, to damage. Be careful, don't break the glass. Buy, to purchase, to acquire by payment. I want to buy a new phone. By, preposition, near, beside, through. He sat by the window. Bye, goodbye, a farewell. She waved and said bye. Cell, a small unit, prison room, a biological or confinement unit. The cell in our body contains DNA. Sell, to exchange for money, to trade. He wants to sell his old car. Cent, a coin, 1/100th of a dollar. This candy costs 50 cents. Sent, dispatched, transmitted or conveyed. I sent you an email yesterday. Scent, a smell, fragrance. The flowers have a lovely scent. Deer, an animal, a forest-dwelling mammal. I saw a deer in the woods. Dear, beloved, affectionate term, cherished. She is my dear friend. Die, to pass away, to stop living. Plants die without water. Dye, to color something, to stain with color. She wants to dye her hair red. Organ for seeing, vision organ. He has brown eyes. Pronoun for oneself, referring to oneself. I am going to school. You, a female sheep, an animal. The ewe gave birth to a lamb. You, second person pronoun, addressing someone. You are my best friend. Fair, just, carnival, reasonable / event. The judge was fair. / we went to a fair yesterday. Fare, cost of travel, transportation charge. The bus fare is expensive. Flour, ground grain used for baking, food ingredient. We need flour to make bread. Flower, a blooming plant, a part of a plant. She picked a red flower. Great, wonderful, large, fantastic / big. She did a great job. Great, a framework, to shred, a metal grill / to shred. Put the logs on the grate. / grate the cheese for the pizza. Grown, past participle of grow, matured. He has grown taller. Groan, a sound of pain or annoyance, a moaning noise. He let out a groan of frustration. Hair, strands growing on the head, body covering. She has long hair. Hare, a fast-running animal, similar to a rabbit. The hare ran quickly. Heal, to recover, to get better. Time will heal your wounds. Heel, back part of the foot, part of a foot or shoe. My shoe's heel is broken. Knight, a warrior, a soldier. The knight fought bravely. Night, dark time of the day, evening. We sleep at night. Lead, to guide, a metal, to direct / a heavy metal. She will lead the team. / lead pipes are dangerous. Led, past tense of led, guided. He led us to the park. Mail, letters and packages, postal communication. I received mail today. Male, gender, a masculine identity. He is a male actor. No, opposite of yes, denial. No, I can't come today. No, to be aware of, to understand. I know the answer. Pair, a set of two, a duo. I bought a new pair of shoes. Pear, a fruit, an edible fruit. She ate a pear. Right, correct, direction, correct / opposite of left. You are right. / turn right at the signal. Write, to inscribe words, to record text. I write letters every day. Sea, large body of water, an ocean. The ship sailed across the sea. See, to observe with eyes, to look at. I see a bird in the sky. Tail, part of an animal's body, an appendage. The dog wagged its tail. Tale, a story, a narrative. She told me a fairy tale. There, belonging to them, possession. This is their house. There, a place, location. She is standing over there. There, they are, contraction. They're going to the park. Toe, part of the foot, body part. I hurt my toe. Tow, to pull something, drag. They had to tow the car. Two, also, excessively, in addition. I want some cake too. Two, number 2, numerical value. She has 2 cats. 2, preposition, direction, towards. We are going to school. Vain, proud, useless, arrogant / fruitless. She is very vain about her looks. Vein, blood vessel, circulatory system. The doctor found a vein in my arm. Vary, to change, to differ. Prices vary from shop to shop. Very, extremely, degree of intensity. She is very intelligent. Waist, middle part of the body, torso section. She tied a belt around her waist. Waste, to use carelessly, to squander. Don't waste food. Wait, to remain in place, to stay. Wait for me at the bus stop. Wait, how heavy something is, measurement. What is your weight? Way, path, direction, route. Can you show me the way? Weigh, to measure weight, determine mass. Please weigh these apples. Weak, not strong, feeble. He felt weak after the fever. Week, 7 days, time period. We have a test next week. Weather, climate conditions, atmospheric state. The weather is sunny today. Weather, if, expressing choice, conditional. I don't know whether he will come. Which, asking for a choice, selection. Which color do you like? Witch, a sorceress, a magical being. The witch cast a spell. Wood, material from trees, timber. The table is made of wood. Would, past form of will, conditional verb. Would you like some tea? Whine, to complain, cry, to complain. He began to whine about the delay. Wine, an alcoholic drink, fermented grape juice. They drank a glass of wine. Wore, past of wear, put on clothing. She wore a red dress. War, a conflict between nations, battle. The war lasted for 5 years. Warn, to alert someone of danger, to caution. She warned me about the storm. Yoke, a wooden crosspiece for animals, farm equipment. The farmer used a yoke for the oxen. Yolk, yellow part of an egg component. The yolk is rich in protein. Your, belonging to you, possession. This is your book. Your, you are, contraction. You're very kind. Zap, to destroy or shoot quickly, attack or eliminate. He zapped the mosquito. Zinc, a metal element, chemical substance. Zinc is used in batteries. Peace, state of calm, tranquility. The world needs peace. Piece, a portion of something, a part. Give me a piece of cake. Plain, simple, not decorated, basic. She wore a plain dress. Plane, aircraft, flat surface, flying vehicle. The plane took off at noon. Principal, head of a school, main part, authority figure / main. The principal gave a speech. Principle, moral belief, fundamental rule. He follows his principles strictly. Stationary, not moving, fixed. The train remained stationary for an hour. Stationary, writing materials, office supplies. I bought some stationary items.